Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on BeReal. So firstly open up your BeReal account. Then after you have taken the BeReal for the day, then what you have to do is just click on your profile at the top right corner. Then click on edit my profile. Now click on the camera icon that appeared on your profile picture. Now you can choose from these options, like for example take a picture, pick from gallery, use today's BeReal, or delete profile picture entirely. So what I will do is I will pick from my gallery, allow all the access that it needs by pressing allow, then again allow, then again click on pick from my gallery. Then after that choose the image that you want. You can resize it or crop it, whatever you want. After all of the adjustments, just press the check button at the top right corner and give it a few seconds, and your profile picture is changed. But before closing, save the changes you have made by clicking the check icon at the top right corner again. And that's it, your profile picture has been changed. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.